Carlos, your admin here. We've got a pretty cool truck today, one that I liked a lot, and we've got Eric, and he's got a
76 F150
with a
Ranger with a 460 mild build.
Mild build, and the pistons.
New aluminum.
The previous owner did that.
Yeah, and I rebuilt it and just made it better. It still has the factory 4-barrel in it, so I still have room.
How lucky can you get? You find factory 4-barrel, and someone's already done the bottom end right. That's pretty awesome. You've also sheared some things. Tell us about that.
I've sheared the driver's side motor mount, the transmission mount, and the rear U-joint in different occasions.
I love that. It's definitely a highlight, I think, of having all of that torque for sure, but also...
Well, it's a double-edged sword.
That's exactly
it's cool, but then there's breakage.
It sucks.
Yeah.
I know my truck can't do it. A lot of you guys can, but I know there's a lot of us out there that don't have that much torque. For sure. Now, you have so much torque, you have to chain down your engine, right?
Mm-hmm. It's an old hot rodder's trick. I learned that a long time ago.
And when you got it, did you put the chain on after you broke things? That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to start chaining my motor down so people think.
It's actually a good torque transfer. It adds about 40 pounds of torque to the wheels.
From everything flexed,
Yep.
you know? Wow.
Yeah, because you get twisted.
So you have 4-link, right, for traction? Tell us, people know about 4-link, but tell us about 4-link.
Essentially, you're taking away the leaf springs and you're putting in coilover shocks, so it's adjustable and it's more independent.
Adjustable coilover shocks, and with 4-link, you don't get the hop, right?
Yeah, it's more controllable.
Stuff like that. That's awesome. Now, were you shearing stuff before or after 4-link?
I was bending stuff before. I wasn't shearing it.
That's awesome. So he also has when you got it, you said it was electric fuel.
It had been converted to electric, but the pumps were weak.
They weren't doing it right.
And they weren't doing it right, so I updated that and I put essentially 110 gallons an hour at 14 pounds.
And did you notice any performance gain off that?
Yes.
I need to do that. I'm
I mean, the regulator chokes it down to 7 pounds, but it's a constant 7 pounds.
Okay.
So it doesn't bleed out. Yes. Anything after 8 pounds, it floods out.
And you've got a little switch inside or anything like that. Sometimes it's the fun stuff. Like you get to flip a switch when you start your truck.
And you can hear it, and it's loud.
And in back you have essentially gravity fed.
I moved the gas tank to sit on top of the pump, so it's a gravity feed, so it doesn't burn my pumps up. There's no hole.
All right, how'd you find this thing? Where?
We found it on Craigslist, looking around and came across it and test drove it and fell in love.
It was a 460 that when you brought that? And when you saw it, you're like, I have to have it.
Gotta have it, yeah.
I think we all have that issue, right? See
it.
something on Craigslist and we've got to have it.
You gotta go check it out.
Well, hey, thank you so much, man.
Thank you, sir.
See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel where I'll be posting more videos like this, reviews, and tech tips. And let's keep this American steel on the road.